Welcome to Is Argent Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Argent Wallet and its features are included in the description below. Argent Wallet is a mobile-first Ethereum wallet built for users who value convenience, security, and access to decentralized finance, DeFi, services. With its innovative smart contract architecture and user-friendly design, it stands out as one of the most secure and versatile non-custodial wallets in the market. Argent is specifically designed for Ethereum and Ethereum-based tokens, making it ideal for users who are deeply engaged in the Ethereum ecosystem. The wallet offers an intuitive interface that simplifies everything from token management to DeFi participation. Unlike traditional wallets, Argent eliminates the need for seed phrases, instead introducing features like social recovery and guardian settings. These allow users to regain access to their wallet using trusted contacts or devices, significantly reducing the risk of losing funds. One of Argent's standout features is its seamless integration with DeFi protocols. Through the wallet, users can earn interest on assets, participate in staking, or invest in decentralized applications, dApps, directly. Argent also offers built-in gas optimization, covering network fees on certain transactions and ensuring cost efficiency for users. This is a major plus for anyone frustrated by Ethereum's sometimes high gas costs. Security is at the core of Argent's design. Its use of smart contract technology means that funds are stored on the Ethereum blockchain rather than the wallet itself. This architecture enables advanced features like setting spending limits, locking the wallet, or assigning guardians for added protection. Additionally, Argent is non-custodial, meaning only the user has control over their private keys, ensuring total ownership of funds. Argent Wallet is perfect for users new to crypto who want a safe and easy way to manage Ethereum assets, as well as advanced DeFi enthusiasts looking for a streamlined experience. With its combination of security, usability, and DeFi access, Argent delivers a powerful solution tailored for the modern crypto investor. For more details, check the links in the description and explore how Argent can elevate your crypto journey.